So.
I have one question. Why are we coming through the side back door?
Whoever is going to be living here would be able to come through their side door, back door, and put their groceries or whatever down.
I see a laundry room set up here.
Yes.
Cool. Not walk-in, but a laundry closet, and now we're in the kitchen. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me your footprint of the kitchen. So I see the refrigerator line here.
Yes.
So fridge.
Stove is on this side, and there would be countertop.
Some cabinets and
countertop.
like a workspace to prepare food. The sink is right here.
Yes.
And we were thinking of maybe doing a peninsula.
We had our feng shui master design the plan.
Really?
We practice feng shui.
She was just trying to work with the bones of the house just to make it
flow.
Yeah,
yes.
Just to
feng
so
shui
you feel
friendly.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay.
So it's more open.
So I need to take this into consideration though, because I don't want to redirect what you practice. Okay, and then we walked through the open dining area.
Yes.
I love that you kept these original French doors here.
Oh, yeah.
So beautiful.
Yes, that was the influence of the original owners because they were from Italy.
Really?
So you could see on the outside there's the arches.
The arches,
like,
yes.
So it's a very
I loved
Italian
walking through
style.
when I was looking for you guys. I was like, oh my gosh, this is just so fancy with the pink flowers coming down.
Yes.
It felt very Italian, very. Okay, so now we go into the
Living room. First thing that caught our eye when we saw this place was this fireplace right here.
Beautiful.
So I was about to take a sledgehammer to this.
Oh.
And I said no.
We looked at it and we discovered it was batch elder tile. So
Wow.
that is well known in this area in Pasadena.
It's
so
beautiful. Look at the detail on it.
And originally there was a built-in cabinet desk combination.
yeah.
Where is it?
It's gone.
Oh my gosh. It's gone. Oh my God. You guys.
Well, it was very old and that was originally on the other side of the fireplace, like a smaller, just a shelf here, a built-in shelf here.
Yeah.
Built-in shelf gone too. All right.
Yeah, that's
all right.
all gone too.
Well, let's go around the corner
Okay.
to the main bedroom. And these are original hardwoods?
These were original.
Oh, wow. So I see the framing for the closet, and then you took some feet from the kitchen and the old
Yes.
pantry, and you're turning this into the ensuite. Okay, so I see shower, bath, toilet, vanity.
Yes.
I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. Uh-oh, what's this? Hall bath.
This is the bathroom.
This is the hall bathroom.
Okay.
This
is
is the
where
original bathroom that they had.
They had an old cast iron tub.
Where is that? I want to see something original. We had to have kept
Yeah.
something, you guys. I just want to see something original. Just one thing. So now we're in the second bedroom.
Yes. We did keep the original closet.
No, and that's a good size because it's deep. Yeah.
Yes.
Good job on that. I get it.
And this is the last bedroom.
All right. So this is house number one. This
Yes.
is
House
the
number one.
main dwelling.
Yes.
Yes.
And we have
The
two more to go. Okay, well, let's go look at your little village.
Okay.
I love it. So we've done some work in this one. A lot of work.
Yes.
We're ready to go.
Well, we didn't have to do much because the previous owner was already trying to fix it up.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay.
This is an amazing property, but the size and scope is deceiving. This flip is all about the front craftsman house. These back tiny cottages are just really single guest quarters for vacation rentals, and they're almost completely renovated.
Yeah.
Nice. You've done a lot of work back here. This is cute. Hold on.
Yeah, that's the little dinette area.
Okay. So my plan will be to focus on the main one. That's where I see the problems. Let's see. I need solutions to return it to its historic glory, yet solve the janky layout. But the biggest challenge I see here just might be the flippers themselves. They appear to be tinkering on the house with no sign of professional workers, which is causing them to gut the character of this house in favor of what they think is better feng shui. But if they listen to me, I'll get them out of here in 45 days.
Like our conference table setup?
I love this. Well, you guys, thank you so much, number one, for inviting me. It's amazing to me when people actually can say, you know what, we're in too deep and we need help. So you purchased the property just over a year ago.
Yes.
Yes.
How did we get here? How did we get to 1 year?
I really don't know.
Yeah.
We have to figure that out. You guys are literally burning money every day that we're not working on this house. Was this a hard money loan?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, you told me that your total budget at the beginning was $150,000.
We spent 60 so
60.
far on renovating the houses.
We have about $90,000 left. What are your breakdowns for this remaining $90,000 budget?
Actually, so I'm not quite sure.
We really don't have a written budget. You don't have a
No.
spreadsheet anywhere. We've been just free-nilly with this whole
Yeah.
project for 1 year.
Pretty much, yeah.
What about your monthly payments with this hard money loan?
It's about $5,000 a month.
Just for the note? Not including taxes, insurance, and... Okay.
Nope.
I don't even have to ask you why I'm here, I know. We have to treat this flipping business as a business. Now, you've really put a lot of effort into Bungalow 1 and Bungalow 2. I think at this point, let's go back to the main house.
Okay.
With no disrespect to our feng shui master, when you brought me into the side door that was supposed to be convenient, I didn't feel open. I felt very shut in. I felt like we were walking through mazes. You have to move away from how you would want to live in a house and put what does the market want to see? An open floor plan. But what I see in my head, I think we can attain still within your budget. We have to make this main house off the charts. So I'm gonna bring in my team. We're going to stage these homes to the nines. I mean, it's just going to be amazing. I have some redesign ideas. And most of all, I'm gonna push you just over 1.4 so that you can see this huge profit.
Wow.
We're going to have to get to work and knock it out, get this property on the market as soon as possible.
I'm getting goosebumps.
Right? So in exchange for my team coming in and really saving this hemorrhage, because right now, that's all it is. I would like 25% of the profit.
Wow.
So why don't you guys think about that? Just call me when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
She has some valid points. What do you think of the 25%?
It's a lot.
We want to build legacy money.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the whole point of this. So you can either walk away from this now or build legacy money.
How about 12%?
I'm game for that.
Okay, back in the conference room. So how are we doing? We're gonna be all
Don't
right.
feel that heart palpitation. Like,
You should be feeling that heart palpitation of sitting on this property for a year.
yeah.
We do.
So tell me your thoughts.
Well, we were thinking of 12%.
My time equals money as well. What I teach you is going to be invaluable because you'll be able to take this into your next project, and if I teach you right, which I will, you won't need a me to come in and save you. Now, you countered me with 12%. So what if we meet right in the middle? 18%? That 18% you weren't seeing anyway until I got here.
Let's go, fairy godmother.
Let's go, fairy godmother! That's what I'm talking about. I love you guys. You can shake on it? Yes, Cheryl, thank you. Edgar, thank you so much. All right, you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll be in touch soon. We don't have specifics dialed in just yet, especially for their terrible kitchen layout, as I need to first get Cheryl and Edgar's approval on our general plan. Hey, you guys!
Hello.
How are you?
Good. We're
Good.
excited.
Good
My
to see you.
I love this part of Pasadena. I came to you for a reason, and we know what the end game is, which is to build wealth for your children's children.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing on my mind right now.
Okay.
Because 12, 13 months is long enough, okay? You've come so far with bungalow number 1 and bungalow number 2. Let's just finish it out as is. Now let's go to the front house. Turns out that Francesca is also a feng shui master. So
that's
she
cool.
gets it. She does have some suggestions that I want to present to you here.
Okay.
Now, the first thing is that in feng shui, they round out the walls when they
Oh, yeah.
can't.
Yes.
Right, when they can. And right now, we just have a whole lot of straight walls, and it's still kind of mazy. In the doorway that separates the living room going into the bedrooms, we would love to add an arch there. to bring those arches from the outside inside.
That would be great.
We really want to continue that Italian craftsman coming right on in.
Yeah, that's a nice tie-in.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
In the main bedroom,
Yes.
you were just about to drywall up the backside of that beautiful brick fireplace.
Yes.
We want to leave that exposed and get it really cleaned up so we still have part of that, historic charm in the house. But this is where we get kind of boxy, especially with feng shui, because you're still going through a maze in a house. So we suggest turning this into a true open floor plan. So there's the wall that separates where you were going to have your stove and your refrigerator wall.
That wall.
Cut that, just open that completely up. So when you walk in, your eyes are going to go one of two places. This beautiful fireplace or all the way into the kitchen, because the kitchen, living room, and dining area are now open. But now you walk in and you see the whole house, except for the bedrooms, which are now private.
All right, that sounds good.
That's good?
Yeah, sounds good. Cheers! Yay. Cheers! Thank you.
Thank you guys, I'm so excited.
Me too.
These flippers are so sweet and they're also really agreeable. But I'm reminded that they stalled this project for over a year, even before we met. So I'm a bit cautious that there's more to this story than they're letting on. I was right. There was more to this story. 7 weeks in, and the flipper's contractor, the one Cheryl and Edgar insisted on using, has not shown up once to our scheduled meetings. And he ignores my calls and texts. I don't work like this. Meanwhile, the flippers refuse to manage or push him until they build the backyard fence first to save money. They're concerned their contractor will show up and build the fence and then charge them. This is not how flips work. You set a plan, and it's all hands on deck. They can fiddle with their fence all day long as their contractor is on site. I can't get straight answers over the phone, so I've set up an intervention. Hi! Wait, where's Edgar?
He's super tired. He's been working 12-hour days on the graveyard shift, and after that, will come here with our kids and come work the fence for like 10 hours.
This should not be a fourth job for him. How many months since you purchased the property? Are we in month 14?
Yeah.
When we had my contractor that I referred to you, he said it's a 3-day job. $2,500 to build and finish a quality fence. Time equals money in flips, and so for $2,500, this could have been done way before I got here, and definitely within the last 7 weeks. I thought you said that your contractor would be here today or tomorrow.
Yeah, today or tomorrow.
But see, why is it today or tomorrow and he works for you?
Yeah.
You don't work for him. How much money is being bled out on this property every single day that we don't have people here working? If he doesn't have time, he shouldn't take on the project.
My gut tells me that we should stick with him.
Well, what does he say to you guys?
It was just the budget. We redid it so that it would be more fair for him.
What?
For me, I always go with my gut, and I feel like he's gonna be able to help us reach what we wanna reach with this house.
Because we could have been done with my people. I even asked you 3 times, I will buy the house from you. I can pay you right now because you got such a good deal on this property. Our family savings plan is in jeopardy, and we are stuck right now. You know, their contractor, he's not going to show up. I've heard this song and dance before. But Cheryl wants to trust her gut. They just don't want to hear criticism about their contractor or the penny-wise, pound-foolish strategy of putting the fence up themselves. Trust me, I've tried for hours. Let me just say this. I met you guys almost 8 weeks ago.
Yeah.
We have 3 other flippers in that same time who are done. I just hope they reconsider my offer to buy this house as is now. This is my Hail Mary option when flippers have gone rogue. They get to walk away with their dignity and without losing their shirt. I'll deal with contractors and fences because at the rate they're going, it might be their only chance. Their only legacy might be handing this fixer down to their children. This is what I call a flip funeral. Over the last 8 months, I've heard every excuse in the book, and I'm here for them when they're ready to take my advice and get it going.